added to all you guys. Vehicle accident detector and rescue alert system with sound and light effect. In recent times, there has been a significant rise in the number of road accidents that takes place globally. Most of these accidents occur in lonely areas like deserts, forests, hilly areas, etc. The time taken by the rescue team to reach the accident spots in these areas is more comparatively to other areas. My aim is to reduce the rescue time of the accidents that occur in these places so that the victim's life can be saved. As of now, the existing technology used in the saving the accidents is this. This uses the GPS and GSM modules to detect that an accident has taken place and updates the cloud server that an accident has taken place. Let's see how it happens with an example. Suppose a car was traveling and met with an accident. The GPS and the GSM modules play a very vital role here, and they come to know that an accident has taken place. They update the cloud server that an accident has taken place. The cloud server has a database of all the police stations, hospitals, and the immediate family members of the victims. The cloud server updates the nearest relative, the nearest police station, the nearest hospital that an accident has occurred, and the GPS modules gives the exact and precise location of the accident, and they dispatch the rescue team to help the victim. Let's suppose this process takes 30 minutes for the rescue team to arrive and help the victim. But there's a catch over here. There are some people who are living in the nearby vicinity in the area of the accident. They are unaware of the fact that an accident has occurred. Had they known that an accident has occurred, they would have immediately rushed to the accident spot and helped them. These people are called immediate responders. I guess you all are confused. Let's see with two cases. Let's see case number 1, in which I have used the existing GPS technology, GPS and GSM technology. A car is traveling on a highway and hits the truck and meets with an accident. As soon as the car hits the truck, the GPS and GSM modules start to work and they update the cloud server that an accident has occurred. The cloud server in turn updates the rescue team that an accident has occurred, and they dispatch the ambulance, the police vehicles, and their own respective cars of the relatives. This is a very efficient process, but this is very time consuming in some matters. Let's see case number 2, where I have included my own, in which I have included the sound and light system. The same car was moving on a highway and meets me with an accident. Then, as you all heard, the sound and that the light has come. The immediate responders who are living nearby the accident spot immediately come to know that an accident or some emergency arises, and they immediately rush to the spot. The GPS and GSM modules again start to work and they update the cloud server that an accident has occurred, and the cloud server again updates the rescue team to send their own respective vehicles. But this method informs the people living in the nearby vicinity that an accident has occurred, and they rush to help the victim. These people are called immediate responders. This is the proposed vehicle accident alert system proposed by me. You can see this chart and come to know more about what I want to tell better. Now, you guys may wonder that using laser beams in cars are very harmful for our eyes, but I would like to tell those people that a recent survey and research has been conducted by BMW. Why? They have understood that a coating of phosphorus on the laser light can help smoothen the effect, and the smoothened effect won't harm our eyes. Now I request all, I would like to take this platform to appeal to all car manufacturers to use this project in their cars, so that in future we can help save many more lives. In this project, I have used only recyclable and reusable materials, and all the plastic which I have used in this project are in-house. Through contributing projects like these to the society, I feel that I'm socially responsible to the society and contributing something to the society. And I would like to end my project over here with an important note. A recent survey shows that a decrease in 1 minute of the rescue team in reaching the accident spot and giving aid to the victim increases the chance of survival of the victim by 6%. This is a very alarming number. I would like to end my project over here. Now let's see my presentation.
Abir Hospital, healthcare you can trust. Navino Man, 20 years of care and concern. Multi-specialty hospital with surgical excellence. Round-the-clock emergency.